bampise ku Green Hill Academy. They invited me for a birthday party because they allow birthday parties. Mama Lakejo yabadde n'omwana we nga celebrating our birthdays. Ntuuka, I parked, nempita ku gate bulungi. They directed me where the birthday party was. Mala, mbuza Mama Lakejo, we allowed to shoot videos waneno. Nti yes, kasita tokola ki? Topostinga. Maliriza okukola byonna ntambula ngende nsibula Mama Lakejo. Nyambuka. Ningamba driver wange, why? When walabika watya, you know? Nangamba si wabi. We wanted to shoot a video, but we didn't. Kwa bambi badde bakimabana kuva ku somero. Mugamba tugende. Omuyizi najanga ngoya nangamba Winnie. Are you Winnie wa mami on TikTok? Nemugamba yes, I'm Winnie wa mami on TikTok. Nanga can we shoot a video together? Nemugamba yes we can, but here no. They don't allow at school, but we can take a pic. Nangamba my friends are there up. Kambaite tukole ki? Twale kifaananyi ffenna. Bwe yabayise ngampa driver wange oba mukwano gwange Mosh ankuba ekifaananyi nabo askari najja nanzijako essimu nansika mpaka waggulu we bakwatirawo ku gate yaabwe nansukuma munda nankuba empi nga talina kyangamye kwa namubuuzawo nsikira ki nkoze ekingamba nankuba empi nanga nsobola n'okwongera ngamba nnyabo siwe bikola ki siwe bibeera nkubidde bwereere ate tebamalaga kuba baana b'abantu.
Yes, good afternoon, sir. So as the management of Green Hill, what do you have to say? Yes, what do you have to say over what happened yesterday? Yes, please.
It becomes very hard to discuss an issue of that nature on phone. That is the first one. But this is what I would say in very brief terms. The behavior of Winnie had issues.
Okay.
That's all I can say. But our security did the best they could under the circumstances.
Okay.
That is all I can say.
So did the situation require an insult of a slap?
Really?
Yes, please.
That is the most I can say on a phone.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I appreciate you calling.
We will make a follow-up next week on Monday.
Boba eyo. Anyway, simanyi nnyo, but what they did is not right. All I want is an apology from askari. Sagala apology ya somero. Kuwe somero, they didn't do anything. The school didn't do anything. It's their security guard oyo mukyala. Yetonde ebintu bigwe.
Senga takwetondera.
It's okay. But wabatu wasazeewo. It's okay then. Ate namukola. Kitewali tujja labireyo mu maaso.